Good morning students. Let me start English grammar. And in the previous class we were discussing about pronoun. Today I am to discuss about adjective. So first, what is adjective? And don't get disturbed. A little part about pronoun is still to be discussed, but I know. But when I will be discussing about adjective, I will tell you about pronouns also, because the same word sometimes is used as adjective and sometimes is used as, some words are sometimes used as adjective and sometimes they are also used as pronouns. So when I will be discussing about adjective, I will also tell you about those pronouns also. So first, adjective. What is adjective? Adjective means to add. Adjective means to add. Then what does it add? Such words actually add some meaning to the noun. Such words add some meaning to the noun. They are the noun qualifier. You may write the definition. A word that describes or qualifies a noun or a noun substitute is called an adjective. So if any word is a noun qualifier, it is adjective, because some other qualifiers are also there. They qualify other parts of speech other than noun. When I will be discussing about adverb, we will discuss about that. Now because we have to discuss about adjective, that's why I am telling you the definition of adjective. Adjectives are the noun qualifiers. They add some meaning to the noun. That's why it is adjective. How I am telling you? Suppose one sentence is here, boy. Suppose a boy is the noun phrase. Boy. Now think, I can say A is here. I can say a tall boy. I can say a short boy. I can say an intelligent boy. I can say a smart boy. I can say a fat boy. I can say a dull boy. I can say a slow boy. I can say like this. So all these words actually describe the noun boy in different ways. Hence, these words are the adjectives. So the word that describes the noun is adjective, but never think or don't think that the adjective should always be placed before the noun to which it qualifies. The position of adjective may vary. Sometimes the adjective may occur before the noun, sometimes it may occur immediately after the noun, and sometimes, suppose this is the verb, sometimes the adjective may occur in the predicate part also. So if suppose this is the noun and position of adjective may be here, the position of adjective may be here, and the position of adjective, suppose this is the noun, this is verb and this is other part, and here the position of adjective here is in the predicate part, then all of them are the adjectives. In this case it is attributive adjective, it is post positive adjective, and it is predicative adjective. For example, it's okay when I will be discuss about the kinds of nouns so far as their position is concerned, I will be telling you about attributive adjective, post positive adjective and predicative adjective. But first, now let me tell you about different kinds of adjective, not according to the position but according to their qualification. How they are qualifying the noun, accordingly the adjectives may be of different types. Let me discuss about this. Then we will also discuss about kinds of adjectives so far as their position is concerned. First, what is adjective? The word that describes the noun or that adds the meaning to the noun or that qualifies the noun is adjective. How it qualifies the noun, how it describes the noun, accordingly adjectives are of different types. And so far as the position of adjectives is concerned, accordingly the adjectives are of different types. Now we have to discuss the way they are qualifying the noun, how or what are the different types of adjectives. First, it is nominative adjective. First, it is nominative adjective, or it is also called proper adjective. What it is? Nominative adjective or proper adjective means sometimes the noun itself may be used to describe another noun. In this case it is called nominative adjective or proper adjective. How? I am telling you. Suppose I have a computer. What is a noun? We have already discussed. What is a noun? We have already discussed. So now let me tell you one thing, that I have a computer. Here computer is the noun. But if I say I love computer game, I love computer games. Games is the noun here, and computer is describing games, what type of game it is. So it is proper adjective or nominative adjective. Similarly, suppose he is a Chinese. Suppose he is a Chinese. Here Chinese is what? Noun, because the people of China are called Chinese. Suppose he is a Chinese, but we can say also we love Chinese food. Here food is adjective and Chinese, here food is noun, here food is noun and Chinese is adjective, and this Chinese is the proper adjective because the very same noun is used as adjective. Similarly, suppose we all are Indians and it is an Indian movie. So movie is the noun, Indian is the adjective. So in case the noun itself is used as the adjective to describe another noun, it is called nominative adjective or proper adjective. Then second one, adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quality. What is adjective of quality? Adjective quality, it answers how it is. For example, suppose she is a pretty girl. Check how the girl is pretty. So such type of adjectives answer how. She is a pretty girl. Suppose it is a decent place. How the place is? Decent. The story is interesting. The story is interesting. How the story is? Interesting. This is adjective. And such type of adjectives are nominative adjective or such type of adjectives are adjective of quality. Okay. He is a smart boy. Smart here is adjective of quality. He is a fat boy. Fat is also adjective of quality. So this is adjective of quality. Then second. Then third one, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Quantity means how much. Remember that such adjectives describe uncountable noun. Because when such adjectives describe countable noun, that is adjective of number. So first, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, such words actually describe uncountable noun. How? Suppose she doesn't have much knowledge. She doesn't have much knowledge in cooking. So here much describes how much, not much. So this is adjective of quantity. Similarly, suppose I need a little tea. How much tea I need? A little. So this is also adjective of quantity. So much, little, some, these are the adjective of quantity. Suppose they have some idea. Here some is adjective of quantity. Then next adjective is adjective of number. Adjective of number, you write such adjectives describe countable nouns. Adjective of number describes a countable noun. How? Suppose I need a few books. Here books is noun, a few is adjective of number. Similarly, suppose she has several pens. So here several is also adjective of number. All the cardinal numbers are also adjective of number. Suppose cardinals means 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also adjective of number. So a few, several, some may be adjective of quantity or adjective of number. Suppose they have some rice, some here is adjective of quantity. They have some friends, here some is adjective of number. That means the same word maybe. Suppose I have a lot of friends, here a lot of is adjective of number because it describes countable noun. I have a lot of water, or I have a lot of knowledge in this field. Here a lot of describes uncountable noun, so it is adjective of quantity. So the same word may be adjective of quantity or adjective of number depending upon the noun to what it is qualifying. If the word qualifies a countable noun, it is adjective of number, and if the word describes an uncountable noun, it is adjective of quantity. But remember, the same word not all the time may be adjective of quantity or number. For example, a few always goes before countable noun. You cannot use a few before uncountable noun. I am telling you that if the same word can be used both before countable and uncountable, in this case it may be adjective of number or adjective of quantity. So some, that means words like a lot of, and then some, any, these are adjective of quantity or adjective of number depending upon the noun to which it qualifies. Then now we have to discuss adjective of number. Then I am telling you, suppose suppose one is adjective of number, one may also be a pronoun. How? For example, suppose I have suppose one revolver is needed to tackle the situation, and one should give one's best to succeed or to achieve success, right? Better it will be to achieve success. In first sentence, one revolver, this is adjective of number, this is adjective of number, but here one is pronoun, it is indefinite pronoun, one is indefinite pronoun. So the same word if isolatedly used replacing a person or noun, it is pronoun, but if one is used before a noun to qualify it, it is adjective of number. Then next, adjective of number. Then next, fifth one, it is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate means, actually demonstrate word has been derived from the Latin word demonstrare. Latin demonstrare. Demonstrare means to show clearly. to show clearly. And because such words demonstrate or such words show whether the thing is closer to me or further from me, that's why they are called demonstrative adjective. For example, suppose I am writing one sentence here. I need this bag. Not this bag, not that bag, not that one. Check here. Bag, this. Bag is noun and this describes noun, and this suggests that the bag is closer to him. That's why it is demonstrative adjective. Not that one means this bag again is not closer to him, further from him. Suppose this boy is smart but that boy is not smart. Then which boy is closer to you? This boy. Whom you say this boy is closer to you, but not that one or not that boy. That boy means definitely it is further from you. So if I say this is the marker, and if I threw, suppose if I threw the marker away, I will say that is the marker. Sorry, that marker. So this marker or that marker, because they help us to know whether that thing or commodity is closer to me or further from us. That's why such type of adjectives are called demonstrative adjective. Because they describe the noun, that's why they are adjective, and because they demonstrate whether it is closer to us or further from us, that is the pen. Here that means definitely away from me. So this or that, these or those, these are the demonstrative adjectives. That means these, that, these, those, etc. are demonstrative adjectives, provided they should be with the noun. If they are used isolatedly, that is demonstrative adjective, sorry, demonstrative pronoun. How? Suppose check here. This is my bag, this bag is mine. Mark the difference here. This is isolatedly used, so it is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. But this bag, here bag is there and this describes the noun, so this is demonstrative adjective. Suppose that is not my bag, here that is demonstrative pronoun. I don't like that bag, or I don't need that bag, here that is demonstrative adjective. That means if these, that, these, those are isolatedly used, that means they replace some noun or noun substitutes, that means they are the pronoun. And because they replaces the noun in a demonstrative way, that's why they are demonstrative pronoun. And if such words occur in a noun phrase along with the noun, that means they describe the noun in a demonstrative way, that's why they are demonstrative adjective. Things are clear? So in Honda method, I want to say you that if this, that is followed by noun, then it is demonstrative adjective. If this, that is isolatedly used, single use, lonely used, then they are demonstrative pronouns. Then demonstrative adjective, then 6th one. Demonstrative. Then interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Suppose what is your name? What is your name? Suppose what do you? Suppose where have you come from? So what or where, they are isolated, they are the pronouns. I am discussing about adjective, sorry. First let me discuss about adjective, then at the same time I will be telling you about pronoun. Interrogative adjectives. Suppose which bag do you want? Check here, it is one question. You are putting one interrogative sentence, and which bag is the noun phrase, bag is the noun, and which is the word interrogative pronoun or interrogative word used along with the noun. It describes the noun in an interrogative way, that's why it is interrogative adjective. It is interrogative adjective. Similarly, what dish do you like? suppose what this do you like? Here what is interrogative adjective? So if such interrogative words occur in a noun phrase describing the noun in an interrogative way, they are interrogative adjective. But remember, if such words occur isolatedly, not with the noun but substituting the noun, then they are interrogative pronoun. How? I am telling you one sentence. Suppose, what do you want? Here what is interrogative pronoun? Suppose where do you, where are you going? Here where is interrogative pronoun. That means in Hunda method, if interrogative words occur with the noun phrase describing the noun, it is interrogative adjective. If interrogative words occur isolatedly, single, lonely, then they are interrogative pronouns. Then possessive adjective. Possessive adjective 7. Possessive adjective. Such words again, because adjectives, so they are the noun qualifiers. They qualify noun in a possessive way. How? Suppose, it is my bag. Then my is the possessive adjective because it describes noun bag in a possessive way. Whose bag it is? Na mine. So because this word describes the noun in a possessive way, that's why they are called possessive adjectives. Similarly, suppose that is her ring. So here her ring is the noun phrase, where ring is the noun, and her is the possessive adjective. So my, our, your, his, her, its, they are, all such words are the possessive adjective. But such words sometimes may be used as possessive pronoun but with a different change of in form. How? Mine, check here. It is my pen. The pen is mine. The pen is mine. It is my pen. Here my is possessive adjective. But the pen is mine. Here mine is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Similarly, it is our college. Our is possessive adjective. The college is ours. It is possessive pronoun. It is, suppose the bags are, it is their bag. Suppose these are their bags. Their bags. There is adjective, possessive adjective. The bags are theirs. Here theirs is possessive pronoun. Okay. It is her bike, or sorry, it is her scooty. Here her is possessive adjective, but the scooty is hers. Hers is possessive pronoun. It's okay. Then possessive adjective 7. Next 8. Exclamatory adjective. How? Suppose what a lovely building. So what a lovely building, it has been skipped. What a lovely building, it is a noun phrase where what describes noun in an exclaiming way. That means someone is exclaiming over the loveliness of building. That's why it is exclamatory adjective. Suppose what a terrible scene. Sorry, what a terrible scene that was. So what a terrible scene, this is the noun phrase, and here what is the exclamatory adjective. Someone is exclaiming over the fact. So these are the exclamatory adjectives. Next 9. emphasizing, sorry, exclamatory adjective, another one is also there, exclamatory pronoun. Exclamatory pronoun, how? I am telling you. Suppose, what? You have done this. That means suppose someone confessed. Suppose someone confessed that he did it and it is unbelievable for you, you did not believe, and now you are exclaiming over the fact. What? You have done it. What is isolatedly used here, so it is exclamatory pronoun. It is exclamatory pronoun, but there it was exclamatory adjective. Okay? Next, 9. Distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. How? Distributive adjective is, suppose each boy got a pen, each girl got a flower. So here each boy is the noun phrase where boy is the noun or girl is the noun. Each describes noun in a distributive way, that means individually everyone gets. So each here is the distributive adjective. Similarly, suppose which book do you need? No, either can do. Sorry, because we are writing adjective. Suppose either car can cover the distance. That means two cars are there, and someone asked you which car is capable to cover such a large distance, and you said either car can cover. That means this car or that car, because individually you are referring to car in a, now either refers car in an individual way. Suppose these are the two fingers and which one is mine? Now either finger is mine, that means this is mine, this is also mine. So either finger means individually I am referring to this finger and that finger. So such type of words are distributive adjective. Neither is also distributive adjective. Suppose two cars are standing there and you asked me which car is capable to cover such a long distance, and I don't believe any car can cover. So you will say neither car can cover the distance. That means not a single car of these two can cover. So individually you are referring, so they are also distributing adjective. Then, and a distributive pronoun is also there. I told you when I will be discussing about adjective, at the same time I will be telling you about pronouns also. Distributive pronoun, how it will be? Suppose check here, if I say each was given a pen. Here each means some persons were present there, each of them was given. Here only each is used, this is pronoun replacing the noun, that is why it is distributive adjective. Things are clear? Similarly, suppose either can do. There I was using either car can do, neither car can do, each boy, each girl, in that case it is adjective. If I use each, either or neither singly, lonely, without a noun with it, then it is pronoun. Suppose either car, so not either car. If I will say either car, then it is adjective. If I say either can manage or either can cover the distance, or if I say either is expensive, that means both of them are expensive. Individually I am referring. So in this case it is distributive adjective. Then, distributive pronoun. Remember one thing, if each, either, neither are followed by noun, then it is adjective, distributive adjective. If each, either, neither are only used without being followed by a noun, that means if such words never occur in a noun phrase, they are pronoun. If they occur in a noun phrase, then they are adjectives. Okay? Each, either, neither, if they occur in a noun phrase, such words are followed by a noun, then it is adjective, distributive adjective. And if such words are isolatedly used, lonely used, single use without being followed by the noun, they are the pronouns, distributive pronouns. Then 10, it is emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing, what is the time? Emphasizing adjective. What is emphasizing adjective? We generally give emphasis. How? If I say, I have seen the accident with my own eyes. Check here. My eyes and with my own eyes, that means can I borrow others' eye to see? No. Still then sometimes we say, that means we sometimes use own in order to give due emphasis that I have seen it. So in order to put emphasis that I saw it myself, so we use such type of words, and such type of words because they describe noun in an emphasizing way, that's why they are called emphasizing adjective. Things are clear? So emphasizing adjective. I have seen the accident with my own eyes. Suppose this is the very book, this is the very book that she had been or she has been looking for, that she has been looking for. That means she has been searching out for the book, and now you came across that book. Now in order to put the identity of the book in an emphasizing way, you use the word very. Yei bohita tar darkar, yei. So when you are putting emphasizing by saying this, so you use like this. So own, very, such type of adjectives, because these words describe the noun, that's why they are adjective, and because they help us to put emphasis, because they are emphasizing over the identity of the noun, that's why they are called emphasizing adjective. Okay, so these are the adjectives, and I would like to advise you one thing. Suppose you think I taught you in a faster way, I spoke in a faster way, then you may watch it again and again. What is the problem with you? The video is with you, you can watch it, rewatch it. Till you don't understand, you can go through the video. So watch it again and again. And in case you don't understand, then tell me. Either contact me or either send me message, or whatever way you may follow. That means whatever way you may follow. But you should try to understand. In case of any difficulty, get your doubts clear by asking me. And if you like the video, then please comment and share the video. Okay. So this much for today. In the next class we will discuss more. So bye for today.